Have you ever needed to extract the outer boundary from multiple curves in Excel? Instead of manually comparing values, what if you could generate an envelope curve instantly with a single click? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I will show you how to use a simple VBA macro in Excel to automatically draw an envelope curve from your data. Whether you're working on engineering analysis, experimental results, or optimization problem, this method will make your workflow faster and more efficient. And the best part, I have attached a ready-to-use Excel file along with VBA code that you can copy your data in the Excel file and apply it instantly. Let's get started. I will show you. First, let me explain what is an envelope curve. An envelope curve is a boundary curve that represents the extreme limits, either maximum or minimum values, of a set of curves or data sets. In simpler terms, imagine you have multiple lines plotted on a graph, like the graph you can see here. The envelope curve traces the outer edge that wraps around all of them. The upper envelope connects the highest values at each point, and the lower envelope connects the lowest values of each point among the curves you have drawn in a single figure. Envelope curves are widely used in fields like structural and civil engineering to obtain load envelopes, for signal processing, for data analysis and optimization, and some other areas in science. They help you quickly understand the worst case or limiting behavior of a system. So if you have already X and Y set of data, you can copy your data in the file that I have attached in the description of this video and apply this code, and you can easily obtain the envelope curve of your data. Here I have entered some X and Y values here, and you can see that the number of values are big enough. Around 16,000 numbers are entered in this file, and now I want to obtain the envelope X and envelope Y and draw them. You can see here that the number of data is obtained automatically with count A function, and it's around 16,501, and the range of data, input data, is written here in this cell from A2 to A16,051 and from B2 to B16,051. And these are the buttons you have to use to extract envelope data. And if you want to change the envelope figure, you can change it and then update on envelope figure. I will show you. So this is the normal figure that you can see here. You can see that more than one data is used here for every single point of X. So more than one Y is available here. If I zoom it, you can see in a better way. All of these area that is filled by blue color are dots actually. So many dots are available between this point to that point. So if you need the maximum value of this curve, and you actually want to draw an envelope diagram, you may have some options to manually select the highest value among the values with similar X values, or you can draw manually a figure with some other tools, and you can draw some points and connect them with another diagram in Excel or in other software. So if you want to do it automatically and more professionally, you can use this file as a mini program. And now if I click on extract envelope, you can see that the maximum values for each point is obtained, and there is a message here. It shows you that envelope points are actually 320 points. If you click on OK, you can see that the figure is drawn automatically in this area, and the number of envelope points is written here, and the range of envelope are also written here. If you want to draw the envelope curve for the smaller portion of the diagram, instead of drawing to the end point, that is 320 points, if you, for example, want to draw for the half of the diagram, you can enter number of points, for example 160. Range will be updated. By clicking on update envelope, you can see that the diagram is updated. You can check the codes, but I don't want to teach you how to write these codes. If you go to assign macro in the right click menu of the buttons, you can find two different codes here, envelope and envelope figure. Envelope is the first button actually to extract envelope points. If you edit it, you can find the codes is written here. So X and Y is read from the Excel worksheet in M3 and M4 cells. If you look at the Excel file, you can see that the range of data is written here in M3 and M4. So don't change them at all. And if you change them, the code will not work well. So the number of data rows or the range is automatically written here. If you change them, your data will be changed. So if you go forward, you can see that the output is written in column C and D with envelope X and envelope Y titles. You can see here in column C and D. They will be written. And finally, the number of outputs is written in cell N10. You can see here that here, number of envelope points is written here. And then you can also check another code for plotting and updating the envelope figure. You can see that the ranges selected in M13 and 14, and you can see that they are written according to the number of points you enter, or maybe you don't want to change it and you want to keep all the data as envelope diagram. So it can also be changed, and it's read from the worksheet. So it's better to not change the data here and only work with these two buttons. But if you know how to write a code and if you know how the code is working, you can change them and you can work on it. And you can also change the situation of the diagram. Maybe your data will not be shown in the X and Y ranges. You can change it manually by going to Format Access and change the minimum and maximum values here or in the X. Moreover, for the original diagram, you can also do this. And other things that you may like, changing the color, changing the style of the plot, and other things that are also possible. And you can do everything you want with this file. So enjoy drawing envelope diagrams using this file. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, you can write your questions as comment below this video. I hope this trick and this file could be useful for you. Check other videos in our channel. See you.